I am tired. I started my walk at 5:30 p.m. from Bandra Bazaar Road to Baroda Road to Ranvar. Ranvar is a place where I was staying on rent post Hindu-Muslim riots. And then from Ranvar I came to Mehboob. And then from Mehboob I came to Good Luck. Had a cup of black tea outside the hotel, outside the restaurant. Then I climbed up Mount Mary. Now I'm outside the Mount Mary Basilica. Today, the Shia Muslims mourn for Imam Ali. It is the eve of 21st Ramzan. So, they wear black clothes. It's the martyrdom of Imam Ali. And normally, I have stopped shooting it, but earlier when I did shoot it, till 2012, it used to be at Zainabia. And there used to be a lot of Khuni Matab, which is what we call Kamazani, Zanzir Zani. I have never done it. I do Kama Matam during Ashura, Chelum, Atwi, but I have never done on 21st Ramzan. The other problem is, while doing Kamazani, it's very difficult for me to shoot pictures because the entire blood that comes from my head, and you can see it, it goes into the camera lens, and it's really difficult. But last 3 years, I have not been able to shoot. Jain community, Jai Jinendra. Last few years, I have not been able to shoot Muharram because of my heart problem, my diabetes and my kidneys. I am stranded in Mumbai. I was called to Haridwar Kumbh by my Naga Sadhu colleagues, but I didn't go. Just couldn't make it. And there's a reason for that. I was broke, totally broke. All my savings are gone. And even if I did get, normally it was Advocate Ashish Chedar or Mrs. Shatrughan Sinha's wife that used to sponsor my trip. But I had taken my first jab, so it was impossible to go. And I did not go to Haridwar Kumbh. This is it. I've been walking almost 5 to 6 kilometers in the evening. By the time I reach home, the children are having the iftar. My granddaughter Marzia is 13-year-old. She's been fasting from the age of 7. Narjis is fasting now. She's 9-year-old, and together they have completed 20 rozas. And they amaze me because they don't complain or anything. Only thing they ask me that at Good Luck restaurant there is an Iranian sweet. It's called candy floss. So they want that. And so I picked up that. Now I am here. I might even take a rickshaw from Mount Mary back home because at Bandstand the police, they are little on the stricter side for people that are walking. But here, on this stretch, from Mount Mary steps to Kane Road and back, is where you see a lot of walkers, senior citizens mostly, joggers and cyclists. Otherwise, where do they go? Other place which I found very comfortable and very easy to walk is Carter Road. I go from Bandra to Hill Road to Chimbai to Joggers Park, and then I go to Carter Road. And from Carter Road, if I get too tired, then I take a Hi Suhail. Then I take a bus or a rickshaw and come home. Yesterday I walked about over 6.25 kilometers. Hi Suhail, wish you all the best. So this is it. I've been working on my archives. I have a hard drive that has a lot of pictures. Hi Sarovarji, how are you? I am your great fan, by the way. I know you're younger to me by many years, but still, I am your fan. You're a great anthropologist, whatever social. I mean, you're really great. I mean, it's so that's it. But so what I'm doing is from this hard drive, I have a lot of videos, and so I'm posting them, updating them, and I'm uploading them on my YouTube channel. It's the way of passing time. I don't read books. I can't see. Normally, I need glasses for reading, but now I'm wearing glasses for both. I mean, bifocal for reading and for walking. I can't see at all. My wife is fasting. My daughter-in-law is fasting. My son is fasting. My other son, Saif, he's staying at Meera Road. So this is it. And there's a little one we have. Her name is Zahra, and you got to meet her. She says, मैं जा रही हूँ घर. She stays in the next building. मैं इफ्तार के लिए आ जाऊँगी. She's 2.5 years old. She's a up and coming artist. She draws, she paints. So this is about it. Thank you, Kazim. All the best to you, my friend. I'm sitting outside a candle stall on Mount Mary, and just in front of me is Shanti Avedna Sadan. Now, Shanti Avedna Sadan is for those people that are terminal, that are dying. So I had a friend, I must tell you about him. His name was Anand. He was a dressman for Neha Arts, the company that I worked for, Nitin Manmohan. He worked for Pailaj Nailani, he worked for Vikas Mohan. He was a fantastic dressman in Bollywood. And the last film I did with him was Army. But he had a problem, he had a tumor or something, and then he came here to Shanti Avedna. And hi, how are you? Bas okay. I came to Shanti Avedna to see him, and he survived. And then he came home and he died. I'm fine, Kazim. All the best to you. So, this is it. And at Mount Mary, which you can see at the back, I was very close to Monsignor Neris Rodriguez. Last 20 years, I've been shooting in the Basilica. I used to shoot the New Year Mass, I used to shoot the Christmas Mass. And I had access, no problem. And I've been lucky as a Muslim or whatever you want. Any community, nobody is objected to my photography. Whether it is Aghoris, whether it is Naga Sadhus, Sufis, I had problems with a few Shia people. I mean, being a Shia also, I only wear black. They don't like to be, they didn't want to be photographed or whatever you call it. I think I'm the only person that has been shooting diverse faith. And everything that I shoot, I have moderated. I don't shoot anything to hurt any community. I don't hurt ethnicity. I am very close to the Hijra community. And when I say Hijra community, I don't just mean Hijra community. I am also close to the Hijras in the red light area. And there's this Hina. She is been my oldest friend. And my guru is Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi ji. Now she's a Mahamandaleshwar. And she's come a long way. She's an amazing personality. And now she's a holistic healer also. And this is Mount Mary. You can see it. Thank you, Kazim. So, when I go from here, I go take a shower and then I join the family for iftar. I'm not fasting at all. I stopped fasting last 3 years because of my kidney problem, my heart problem and my diabetes. I'm insulin dependent, and for 6 months I have to, because of my bypass surgery, I cannot skip the medicines. Insulin I take twice a day. I'm being treated by Dr. Manoj Chadda, amazing endocrinologist. And my kidney is Dr. Kirit Upadhyay, amazing nephrologist. So I've been lucky to have some good doctors. The weather is pretty good now. It was very hot in the daytime. सब ठीक है ना? This is Mount Mary. Hi Coach Ranjan, how are you? Ranjan ji, hope you're safe. Blessings to your family. This is Mount Mary. And there are people praying over here. It's an amazing place. This is Mount Mary. It's a very beautiful spot over here in Bandra. And the Christian community comes here because the basilica is shut. Amazing. Congratulations. I can't do that much. My maximum is about 8,000 steps. But I walk. That is the thing, I walk. I don't plan my walk. I just walk. I leave my house and then wherever the road takes me, I go. Now I'm walking from Bandra Bazaar. I shot Ranvar. It's a fishing village. It's an amazing village. And it's very picturesque. I shot that village and then I came to Good Luck. Now Good Luck Irani restaurant belongs to Muhammad Bhai Zulfikar. He's having a parcel system. So he gave me a cup of tea. I normally take it from him. I sit outside and drink it. And from there I climbed up. Now I'm going downwards Cane Road. That's actually Cane Road is a steep incline. And I had already shot the Dargah of Baba Jafar. It's next to Mount Mary, next to cliff where Mr. Subhash Ghai stays. The Ranjanji, the COVID situation in Bandra is not that bad, at least where I'm staying. There isn't any surge out there. It has already happened. In my area, I don't know how many people have died. That is last year. But this year, there isn't much, I don't know as such. Hi, Parthikar. So this is Cane Road. And a lot of people, a lot of joggers take this road because there isn't any police presence out here. And so they walk from Mount Mary steps to Cane Road, back and back. And they avoid Bandstand. I'm going to take a chance. I'll take a chance. I'll go to Bandstand. Yali Madad Yasir Abbas. Today is the eve of 21st Ramzan. So there's a very solemn moment for the Shias as they mourn for the Imam Ali, the first Imam of the Shias. So normally on this night, I mean night in the sense early morning, the Shias used to gather at Zainabia. Those days, before the pandemic, mind you. And there used to be a majlis, hand matam, and then Kamazani, Zanzir Zani, and really hardcore. I stopped shooting there from 2012. I don't shoot Muharram in Mumbai at all. I prefer shooting in Hyderabad, which is like second home to me, Chennai, Delhi, and Lucknow, which is my city of my birth. But I don't promote any religion, I don't endorse any religion, not even my own. You follow what you have to follow. And I don't carry my Shiaism as a badge, but I wear black clothes, irrespective. And even as a Malang, I'm a Sufi Malang. I wear black clothes. I prefer black. All those fancy clothes, jewelry, everything I've stopped. There's no time. And if I do wear that and come out, then the cops will catch me. So I have to dress normal. Today I'm wearing a black dhoti and a black t-shirt. And I'm walking down this slope. On this slope, there's a bungalow of my friend, Mr. R.C. Wala. We used to walk together at Bandstand. Then I met another walker friend of mine. His name is Rohira. He walks about 10 kilometers on this road. It's humid actually here. This is the bungalow you can see of my friend. That is R.C. Wala's bungalow. He's a very dear friend of mine. Children, his grandson Zax likes me a lot. He's in London. Hi, World Citizen, how are you? I don't even know your name, yaar. So this is Bandra Bandstand, right in the front. Actually, climbing down is no problem. It is climbing up. Then on the left side, if you go, this is the hotel, Taj, and then ahead is the ceiling. You can see the ceiling from there. It's a Bandra Fort. All that area has been restricted. Hi, Richard. Nice meeting you, brother. Thank you for all your support and all your likes. I'm actually very active on Twitter. So what I do is all these old images that you're seeing, which I'm posting at Instagram, I first posted from the laptop to Twitter, four images. And then I download those images from Twitter to my mobile phone and then post them at Instagram. I must be having over 10 lakh images, I think, or more. A lot of them have not been able to digitally scan them. But anyway, I might have to end the ladies with dogs. The stray animals are having a very tough time. Thank you, Richard. God bless you, my friend. Now, that is Sarkar Heritage. That is the bandstand. So, I shall end this talk over here. Wish you all the best. Take care, stay safe, get vaccinated. The pity is that a lot of Muslims in my area, ladies mostly, don't want to get vaccinated. They think it is a sheer waste of time. And how does one convince them? And our mullah, the clergy, that should be doing this job, you know. But then the masjids are closed. But they should have a fatwa that should make this being vaccinated mandatory. This is the only way it can be done. Anyway, all my friends on Instagram Live, thank you very much for supporting me. And thank you once again. All the best. God bless you all.